Hi everyone, in this short demo, I'm going to show you how the Euverify GDPR Representative Module works once you've completed your onboarding. If you haven't finished the onboarding yet, make sure to check the previous video that walks you step by step through the setup process. So once you log in, you'll land on your GDPR dashboard. Here you can see your company name, your current plan details, and your compliance checklist. The dashboard also shows whether your GDPR representation status is active or not, and in which regions you're represented, EU, UK, or both. Right below that, you'll see the latest Data Subject Access, or DSA requests that have come in from your customers. Now let's go into the inbox. This is where all the DSA requests you've received are listed. You can click on any thread to view the full details of the request. You'll be able to see the customer's name, their email address, and other information. Every request goes through an email verification process with a one-time password, so you can be sure that you're dealing with the real person who made the request. You'll also get a copy of each request by email, and everything stays safely stored here on your dashboard. Once you review the request, you can send your reply directly through the platform, and Euverify will forward that response to your customer with a covering email from us. You might notice that some DSA requests have response deadlines, which will be clearly shown on the screen. When your reply is received, verified, and everything is processed correctly, Euverify will close that request for you. You can also download a full case summary for your records, which is helpful in case any regulatory authority ever asks for documentation. When you're processing DSA requests, just remember a few key things. Always respond within the GDPR specified timeframe, which is usually 30 days. Make sure your reply is accurate and share data only with verified users, and it's always best to keep all communication inside the platform so you have a clear audit trail. Now, let's move to the ROPA Manager. This is where you manage your record of processing activities. You can either upload your own ROPA file or create one using our simple ROPA Builder. Let me show you how the ROPA Builder works. The first step is to select whose data you process, your data subjects. For example, you can select customers, partners, employees, and website visitors. If you have any other categories, you can easily add them here. Once you've made your selections, click Next. For each group, you'll now choose the types of personal data you collect. For example, for customers, that might include full name, phone number, email address, billing information, IP address, or location data. For employees, you might also collect things like health data, Idaho numbers, or passport details. Once you've selected everything that applies to your business, click Next. Next, you'll enter the purpose of processing, basically why you're collecting that data. You'll go through a few short questions like this, and when you're done, the system will automatically generate a complete ROPA document for your company. You can save it, download it, and edit it anytime you need. Let's now go to the Documents section. Here you can find all your signed documents, including your GDPR Representative Agreement, your Appointment Certificate, and the privacy policy snippet you added during onboarding. You can also download your ROPA here at any time. There's also a GDPR Trust Badge available, which you can place on your website to show that your company has officially appointed a GDPR representative. It helps build trust with your visitors and customers. You'll also see a public verification link. When someone clicks this link, they'll be able to view your active GDPR certificate and even submit a data subject request directly through a verified form. All those requests go through email or UL verification before being accepted into the system. In the GDPR representative section, you can view the details of your assigned representative, including your EU or UK representative address and the privacy policy snippet to include on your website. Depending on your plan, you can also add multiple team members to your account. Just enter their details, choose the type of notifications they should get, and send them an invite. You can also control what parts of the platform each member can access. Finally, we have the support and documentation area, where you can find helpful guides and FAQs and reach out for help whenever you need it. And that's it. That's your Euverify GDPR Representative Module. It's a simple, all-in-one platform that helps you stay compliant, manage your DSA requests, maintain your ROPA, and keep all your GDPR documents organized and accessible in one place.